In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Zoho CRM account. Whether you're looking to switch platforms or simply decided Zoho isn't for your business needs anymore, this guide will walk you through the entire process. Let's make sure this is as straightforward as possible. First off, what you need to do is log into your Zoho account. Once you're logged in, head over to your profile icon, a familiar spot I'm sure, click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Account. This will take you to the Zoho Accounts page, which is essentially the hub for all your Zoho account settings. Next, you should be on the Zoho Accounts homepage. Take a moment to absorb the layout. It's your control panel after all. Direct your attention to the side menu on the left. There you will find a Settings option. Click on Settings, and you will be taken to a page filled with various options related to your account management. On this new settings page, there's an option labeled Close Account. Go ahead and click on that. You may feel a pang of hesitation, and that's normal. Closing accounts always feels like a big step, doesn't it? But rest assured, you're about halfway there. Following that, you'll want to select Close Organization. This option will present a list of choices. It's crucial here that you're concise about what you want to achieve, whether it's just closing your current organization and retaining your Zoho account for potential future use, or if you want to clear the slate entirely. Now, after weighing your options and making a decision, either close just the organization or both the organization and your account, you will need to choose one. If you're closing both, do note that this is irreversible. Make sure you've pulled any necessary data or documents you may want or need in the future. After you've made your choice, click Proceed. This is the final confirmation phase. Zoho will guide you through a few steps to verify your decision and the account linked to it. It's a way to ensure security and verify that you indeed are the one making this request. Finally, you'll need to verify your account details to finish the process. This might involve receiving an email or a text message to confirm your identity. It's pretty standard, but always worth mentioning that it's a key step to finalizing your account closure. And there you have it. Just by following these steps, you've successfully canceled your Zoho CRM account. If you've reached this point and everything has gone smoothly, wonderful. You possessed all the knowledge needed to empower this decision-making process. Thank you for following along, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out through Zoho support channels.